In 1933, Blohm Voss, one of the leading German shipyards, decided to take on the challenge of entering the still young and uncertain field of aviation. To protect the company from the risks of this new sector, a separate company was initially established, Hamburger Flugzeugbau, from which the first aircraft, the Ha-135, was produced, marking the beginning of the company's aeronautical history. To lead the first projects, Walter Blohm, founder of Blohm Voss's aeronautical division, recruited two young designers, Muse and Maugsch, who had just left Heinkel and had experience with the E-59 and E-60 projects. Working on the Ha-135, they formed the nucleus of a technical team that would later become renowned for innovative and unconventional aeronautical solutions, breaking the traditional patterns of German aircraft design. The Ha-135 was a mixed-construction training biplane with a fuselage of steel tubing and coverings of wood and light removable metal panels. It featured two separate tandem cockpits for the instructor and trainee pilot and included a lockable baggage compartment behind the rear seat. The wings, almost identical, were equipped with ailerons both above and below, ensuring excellent maneuverability and flight stability. Propulsion was provided by a Siemens Halske Esch-14A, a seven-cylinder radial engine delivering 160 horsepower, which gave the aircraft a maximum speed of 195 kilometers per hour. The Ha-135 made its first flight on the 28th of April 1934, immediately taking part in the competition to select the new training aircraft. Failing to prevail over the winners, the Focke-Wulf VD-44 and the Heinkel He-72, the company nonetheless highlighted its qualities by marketing it as a sports aircraft, demonstrating its versatility. In total, 6 examples were produced. The Ha-135 marked the beginning of Blohm Voss's aeronautical venture with a conventional project, a training aircraft that appeared ordinary compared to the company's future daring designs. However, behind this apparent simplicity, a technical team was forming, capable of innovation and tackling complex challenges. The experience gained with the Ha-135 laid the foundation for unconventional solutions and paved the way for iconic projects such as the BV-141, BV-138, BV-155, and BV-238, which would go on to make their mark in the history of German aviation.